complementary angles. When you say complementary angles, the sum of their angles is equal to 90 degrees. So let's try to solve our example. For number 1, the complement of 32 degrees. The first step to solve for this example is first copy the given, which is the 32 degrees. Then add the unknown angles, which is that is our undefined angle. Then the sum is 90 degrees because it's complementary angles. Therefore, the 32 degrees will be transposed to the other side, and then the sign will be changed from positive to negative. So let's copy the x and the 90 degrees, and from positive will transpose to the other side will be negative 32 degrees. So for now, we can solve for our x. So 90 minus 32 is equal to 58 degrees. So therefore, that is our complementary of 32 degrees. For number 2, complement of 50 degrees. So as usual, first step, let's copy the given, which is the 50 degrees, and add the unknown angles. Then the sum is 90 degrees. So for the second step is transpose the constant or the given angle to the other side, and the sign will be changed from positive to negative. So let's copy this one. Then equal to 90 degrees minus 50 degrees. So for now, we can solve for x. So x is 90 minus 50 is equal to 40 degrees. So that is our complement of 50 degrees.